Final exam review part 2, question 19. So it says find the value of the indicated variable for the values given. So we have the value t equals 4, d equals 32, and we need to determine or find r. So here's our equation, and we need to find r. So it says t is 4, so we know d. Because d is by itself, over on this side, I don't have to use brackets. I don't know r, but t is 4, so I'm going to put brackets because there's something beside it. R times 4 is 4r. Now, r wants to be alone, so I have to, who do I have to get rid of, 32 or 4? Yeah, I have to get rid of the 4 because r wants to be alone. And this is 4 times r. What's the opposite of times? Divide. So I have to do divide. Divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that means I have 1r equals 8. And r can be equal to 8 because 1 hides. Okay? And r equals 8. Okay, let's look at 20. Find the value of the indicated variable for the given values. So here's my equation. It says determine L, that means find L, when P is 36 and W is 9. So I wrote down the equation, and it says we need to find L. So P is 36, it's by itself, so I don't need to use brackets. I don't know L, so I keep it. W is 9. So wherever the W is, I'm going to put 9. So 36 equals 2L. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. So now, L wants to be by itself. 2 is the best friend. It's close to L. 18 is the neighbor. Who do I get rid of first? The neighbor. Yeah. So I go minus 18. It's always opposite. Here's plus, so I do minus. And I do the same to the other side. So 36 minus 18 is 18 equals 2L. So L wants to be alone. Do I get rid of the 18 or the 2? Yeah, L wants to be alone, so I have to get rid of the 2. 2 times L, the opposite is divide. 2 over 2 is 1. So that's 1L equals 9. And the 1 can hide, so it's L equals 9. So now, L equals 9. Now let's look at 21. It says find the value of the indicated variable for the values given. So we know P, we know R. Determine T. That means find T, and here's our equation. So I wrote down our equation. This one is an I. It doesn't look like it, but it's a capital I. Okay, we know I, we know P, and we know R. So I, 113.4 equals, do I know P? Yes. Do I know R? Yes. Do I know T? No, because it said determine T, find T, so I'm going to put a T here. So I'm going to put these two together and get my calculator. 270, oops, 270, and when the brackets are touching, it's just multiply. You can use brackets if you want. So that's 16.2 T. Now T wants to be alone. Do I get rid of the 100 or the 16? Yeah, the 16. This is 16 times T, so I do the opposite, which is divide. Same over same. So that's 1. So I have 1t is equal to, oh, whatever that is, 113.4 divided by 7. And 1 hides, so it's really t equals 7. Do I have it? Yes, 7. Yay!